Hello friends, lesson number 3. The noun, the marker of gender. Second part. Let's consider some rules. First one. Nouns denoting animals are only masculine and feminine nouns. For example, ëнок masculine in Russian пёс, but ëнок feminine in Russian собака. Пёс becomes he, он. Собака becomes she, она. Пёс, собака. A horse masculine in Russian конь, but a horse feminine in Russian лошадь. Конь becomes he, он. Лошадь becomes she, она. Пёс, собака. Конь, лошадь. Nouns ending in suffixes yonok, they are always masculine nouns. For example, child, ребенок is masculine. Котенок is masculine. Медвежонок is masculine. Let's read again. Ребенок, котенок, медвежонок. There is a small group of nouns in Russian with a feminine endings, and these nouns denote male faces, masculine gender. This occurs mainly because of physical gender. For example, a man, мужчина, a ending, but is masculine. Юноша with a ending, but is masculine. Дедушка, дядя, папа. Let's read again. Мужчина, юноша, дедушка, дядя, папа. Friends, there are also some of male names with a ending, as Саша, Петя, Коля. Саша, Петя, Коля. There are also some nouns with soft sign ending, which can be both masculine and feminine gender. For example, голубь is masculine. Любовь is feminine. Медаль is feminine. Дождь is masculine. Let's read again. Голубь, любовь, медаль, дождь. The only way out is to memorize it. Friends, please note, in Russian there are some nouns without the marker of gender, because they are always plural. For example, люди, ножницы, колготы, штаны, брюки. Let's read again. Люди, ножницы, колготы, штаны, брюки. Friends, Try to memorize the rules of this lesson. This will be your homework.